friends, do you want to learn how to be an awesome friend? Being a good friend makes everyone happy, including you. Sharing is caring. Good friends share. If you have a toy, a snack, or even a funny joke, sharing makes everyone smile. Listen to your friends. A good friend listens. When your friend is talking, look at them and pay attention. It shows you care. Be kind and use nice words. Be kind, saying please, thank you. And kind words can make someone's day brighter. Include everyone. Good friends include everyone. If you see someone feeling left out, invite them to play. Saying sorry when you make a mistake. Oops, sometimes we make mistakes. A good friend says, I'm sorry, when they hurt someone's feelings. Celebrate friendship. Being a good friend makes the world a happier place. Let's all be great friends. Cheering up a friend. Good friends help each other feel better. If your friend is feeling sad, say something kind or make them laugh. Taking turns and being fair. A good friend takes turns. If you're playing a game or using a toy, sharing and being fair makes playtime fun for everyone. Standing up for friends. If you see someone being treated unfairly, stand up for them. Good friends help each other. Respecting differences. Good friends respect each other. We are all different, and that makes us special. It's okay to like different things. Helping a friend in need. Helping is caring. If you see a friend struggling, lend a helping hand. It makes them feel happy. Keeping promises. Good friends keep their promises. If you say you'll do something, try your best to keep your word. It shows you care. It's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to be a good friend. Keep sharing, listening, and being kind. Before you go, please be kind and like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.